Gaobeidian PRISES Biotechnology Company Limited, established in 2012, is a leading innovator in the fields of in vitro diagnostics and medical-grade contraceptives. Our advanced facility features a 100,000 class cleanroom, modern quality inspection systems, and dedicated research and development laboratories. As one of China's few fully integrated enterprises with end-to-end capabilities in research and development, production, sales, and global distribution, we serve customers in over 100 countries and regions worldwide. Over the past 14 years, PRISES has earned international certifications including ISO, CE, and FSC, building a trusted global reputation. Our products cover 4 core areas: infectious disease detection, fertility diagnostics, drug abuse screening, and tumor marker testing. PRISES maintains a strong presence across multiple continents, including Asia, Europe, Africa, and South America. Our rigorous zero-defect quality system ensures all products meet and exceed international standards. Through our Global Health Initiative, we provide complete OEM solutions from design to delivery, offering customized development, scalable production, and reliable supply chains. Supported by experienced scientists, engineers, and logistics specialists, we are committed to being your long-term health partner. At PRISES, we are guided by our mission, Guardian of Healthy Beginnings. Precision for the future. We provide comprehensive diagnostic solutions and are committed to transforming Made in China into a worldwide symbol of reliability and excellence. Our continuous innovation and customer-focused approach ensure that we remain at the forefront of the global healthcare industry, delivering products that make a meaningful difference in people's lives worldwide.